how to show your TikTok on Facebook mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to show your TikTok on Facebook mobile. First thing, go to Facebook and now click these three lines here in the top corner and then click on your profile and then click edit profile and here just click links, add and click add social link and click platform and select TikTok and here add your TikTok username and then just click save and here your TikTok account has been added to your Facebook. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe and see you in the next video.